Our modern airport has been connecting Brisbane to the world since the 1980s.
After 4 decades of service, the original runway needs major works to keep passengers safe.
During construction, people may notice temporary changes to where aircraft fly, including overnight. This year's project involves replacing 18 ageing concrete slabs. The length of the runway will be temporarily shortened to protect workers. Most aircraft can come and go as normal, but international travellers on wide-bodied jets will have to use the other runway. A small number of those flights may be over the city after 10 p.m, when weather prevents them flying over the bay.
We understand that this will affect some people, and we apologise. But this is essential work to keep us all safe and connected.
The project is part of the $5 billion future BNE transformation.
We invite you to stay informed by signing up for regular updates from Brisbane Airport.